Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Born Pretty sent me over some polishes to try along with some chrome, I think that's top gel. I'm not sure how that works, so I'll do another video once I figure out how that works. So they sent me this gel polish kit that contains 6 colors. This kit is, I think, Snow Coral Ice Jelly is the name of the actual gel polish kit. So we're going to go ahead and open up this package and get into these colors. So thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these polishes. So as I mentioned, it comes with 6 colors. This is the first color, number 1 from the kit. This is a neutral shimmer. It has like a pink base with glitter in it, really pretty. And again, these are ice gel polishes, so they are pretty translucent to give you that jelly like effect. And so that's the first coat. I'm going to pop this in my lamp for 60 seconds. The second color, which is course number 2, labeled accordingly, this one is it was like a really sheer pink color. I think that would be pretty with some lace stamping or lace foil, or even I think my Maniology subscription box last month, or is it this last month, came with like bubbles. I think that would be pretty with like some silver bubbles and maybe doing like that jelly sandwich type effect. So I may do a video with that really easy. And you can hardly see that color on the swatch stick. But again, once you do that second coat of color, it comes out really, really pretty. Color number 3 from the kit. This one was another pink. I think it was like a pink peach type vibe. Again, they're jelly polishes, folks. And so all of these I think would look nice just to have a some type of sheer or neutral color on your nails. They give me like natural nail type vibes. So like if you even did like clear builder gel and you just wanted a nice tint on your nails, you could do that. And color number 4, this one was like a peach color. So again, it's a shade that I think would pair well with all skin tones depending upon what you like. I'm just getting those kind of out of the way. And here's color number 5. This one was more of a more darker berry like ice color. This one was sort of like my favorite one. It's giving me kind of grape jelly vibes almost. This one, and I think color number 6 was giving me grape jam or jelly type vibes. Also, I think that first color, that glitter color, would look good on top of any one of these for a nice layering effect. And so the last color 6, this one was giving me jam, grape jelly type vibes as well. And so I end up, I think, doing a mani with this particular color because it was the darkest. I thought I could get a good mani with this one. And actually, when I did the mani, my daughter was like, "What's going on with these nails?" And I was like, "Mind your business, mind your business." So after I get that first coat of color on the nails, guys, again, you can't really see it on the swatch stick. It's a clear swatch stick. That's why I'm putting it up against my nail. So here are the 6 colors with the first coat. I'm going in and applying a second coat, and then I will cure all of these for a full 60 seconds. So here are all of the colors, and I did apply top coat. And so again, these are all 6 really neutral jelly colors. Absolutely pretty. Can't go wrong with them unless you just don't like jelly colors. So let's go ahead and get into this application. So I have on some full coverage nail tips that I have glued on. I did apply Born Pretty's base coat and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so I'm going in and I'm using color 6 from the set, and I'm applying a thin layer of color to all nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. And I do have on my mani glove that you don't have to, but you can use when you're curing your nails in a UV LED lamp to help protect your skin. So here are the nails after the first coat. I'm going in and applying a thin second coat to all nails. And you can see after the second coat, it's still a jelly color. Let's not get that wrong. It's still a jelly color, but you can see more of the color once you apply it to once you apply the second coat. What am I talking about? Yeah, you can see more of the color once you apply that second coat. And what I did notice after I did this mani, y'all, I thought I had glued these full coverage nail tips as close to the cuticle as possible, but apparently I did not. So when I get the finished look, you'll see, like, you can see more of my cuticle area, just because, you know, I'm not good with gluing these things on. I'd rather use sticky tabs, but and when I glue them on, I do use a peel-off base coat. So they lasted that day plus the second day. They started popping off closer in the evening. So here's the second coat, and I'm going in with Born Pretty's transfer printing gel. This is a nail foil transfer gel, so it does require curing. So I'm applying a thin layer of that to all nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so after I've cured my nails for 60 seconds, I have some fruit transparent nail art transfer foil that I'm going to use. This is a berry roll, has different color berries in there. I thought that color would look good with the gel polish that I picked out. And so whenever you're doing transfer gel, once you cure it, you want to let it sit for roughly about maybe 30 seconds or so, because it's going to give you I don't know what it is, but it gives the time for the nails to cool off and allow that foil or image to transfer off of the foil as best as possible. And so I'm just repeating that process, stretching the foil out, placing it on the nail, and then using the silicone end of my nail art tweezers to rub until I get that image transfer. And so I'm doing all nails like that. And so you can cut off a piece of the nail art transfer foil. Some people cut off 5 separate pieces. I don't. A lot of times I will cut off a section, and you'll see once I do all 5 nails how much of that foil that I use. Not a lot. So that foil goes a long way. So once I get all of the nails, the image on transferred to all of the nails, I'm then going to go in and apply Born Pretty's top coat and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Now you could further encapsulate the nail art foil by doing I had some 6-in-1 Born Pretty gel glue, and it has like 6 different uses. You could encapsulate the foil using that and then top coat. The choice is yours. You don't have to though. The top coat did just fine. And so coming up, you'll see how much of that nail art foil that I used for all 5 nails. Again, not a lot at all. And so here I am applying the top coat, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. So after I get those cured, coming up is the finished look, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about with the cuticle area. So guys, please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So cute little jelly fruit nail set. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time.